and welcome to the next section on CSS. This one is called CSS Visual Roles, and in this video we will go over the introduction to this section. And let's see. Introduction to Visual Roles. In this lesson you will learn the basic structure and syntax of CSS so that you can start styling web page elements. Explore the code to the right. Think about how it relates to the web page on the right side of the browser. Okay. Here is our HTML and here is our CSS code. And here is the rendered page. It looks very nice. And we have a body selector or tag selector. And then we have a background property. We have a linear gradient here. You see how the color is darker in this corner, and in this one it is lighter, and that is the purpose of gradient. Margin, padding set to 0. Then we have styles for the H1, H2 for the P. Then we have a class selector. Again, class selector, class, and class. We have a box shadow property for the first time. Float, height, width, position, top. These are all the new CSS properties. Let's proceed to the next exercise and start learning about CSS visual roles.